Look at this nifty gadget. If you can't get under a low bridge, consider installing one of these Seaview electric hinged devices. And you can see we've got the radar on top, and on top of that the FLIR over here to the left, and to the left of that the anchor light and possibly the stern light. So this is a great invention. If you want to learn more about it, contact Seaview, and they call it the hinge antenna light device. And you can flip the button. You don't have to get out of your chair and grab a ladder or stand on a 5-gallon bucket. Up, here we go. And there's the anchor light only. Sweet deal, I like that. Thank you.
The other thing you might want to check this out, this new alarm drain plug.
Hey man, how are you?
So if your plug is open and your batteries are on, it's going to bother you until you...
Okay, so that would be for more like an outboard boat that's on a trailer? Okay. Great idea. We've watched people launch boats and come back in 10 minutes and run back to the truck to get the plug.
That's right. At least with this, they're like, okay, I know what's going on.
Yep, I hope so. Thank you.